Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video we'll show you how to share an Instagram QR code. Instagram allows you to share your QR code image, making it easier for other users to find and review your profile page. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and press on the three lines icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Find the QR code section and click on it. Your QR code appears on the screen. Keep in mind that you can customize your QR code by selecting from design options like color, emoji, or selfie. In order to share your QR code, hit the share icon in the top right corner and choose the app through which you would like to share it. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to share an Instagram QR code. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.